Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be an interesting one, as in this video we will use different AI websites to create an image from a single prompt. Moreover, you will also get to know 5 different AI websites from where you can download these images for free. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. The first website in our list is Ideogram. With a simple and easy interface, this website generates images in a really good quality and that too for free. So let's start by writing our prompt here. A surreal scene where a large, vivid and red poppy floats above a calm body of water. The poppy has a unique structure with its petals curving upwards and a bud on the side. A small figure, possibly a child, sits atop the flower, gazing into the distance. The sky above is a gradient of light blue with a few petals drifting away. The reflection of the flower and the child can be seen in the water below, creating a mirror effect. Now, once you have written the prompt, you can even customize it. You can change its aspect ratio and choose from a variety of styles for your image. Once done, click on Generate. Just wait a little until the image loads. And have a look how beautiful the images have turned out. Select the one you like and click on Download. Before we move on to the next website, just copy the prompt. Now, let's head over to the another website, which is gencraft.com. Just paste the prompt over here and choose the image style. Choose the aspect ratio and click on Generate. It gives us 2 different options. Choose the one you like, scroll down and click on Download HD. Now, let's move on to the another one, which is none other than Freepik. Yes, it also has an amazing AI image generator. Just search for Freepik AI and you will be redirected to this amazing website. Describe your prompt over here and choose from the number of images you want. Choose the size and click on Create. You can even load some more options if you want. Select the one and click on the download button. Another one in the list is Canva. Open Canva and click on the Magic Studio over here. Scroll a little and click on the text to image option. Click on Try it now. You will be redirected to a new page. Enter your prompt here, choose the style and the aspect ratio and click on Generate Image. And here are some amazing results. Choose the one you like, click on Download. Last but not the least, we have Imagine.art. With such an easy interface, you just need to enter your prompt and click on Generate. You can choose from the number of images, aspect ratio, the style of your image and just click on Generate. Some amazing options are ready for you to choose from. Just click on Download and you are done. So here are some of the amazing AI websites to generate images for free. Here are all the pictures and you can see how beautiful they all look. Do let us know which one is your favorite and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such content. Thanks for watching.